Hello, nature lovers. Welcome to another episode of our journey through the talking trees. Today, we will bring you another amazing plant seen as beautiful but with a challenging story behind it. Today's episode focuses on the Echinoria crassipes, commonly known as the water hyacinth, a plant that's as beautiful as it is controversial. Let's explore the story behind this wonderful but invasive plant. Originating from the Amazon basin in South America, the water hyacinth is renowned for its striking lavender blue flowers and glossy green leaves. Each plant can grow up to a meter tall, with a unique rosette of leaves and bulbous, spongy stalk that aids buoyancy. Let's have a closer look at the structure of this plant. Water hyacinth anatomy is fascinating. Look at how the globular structures called stolons are located at the end of leaves, enabling the plant to float on water. The interiors of these stolons are spongy and porous to facilitate this functionality. Its long feathery roots can extend up to a meter below the water surface, providing a habitat for microorganisms. The plant reproduces exponentially through seeds and vegetative offshoots, enabling it to form dense floating mats. The lack of challenges for these plants in reservoirs strengthens this rapid growth. Discovered in the late 19th century, the water hyacinth was initially admired for its beauty and was introduced to other parts of the world as an ornamental plant. However, its rapid growth soon revealed a darker side. Today, the water hyacinth is considered one of the world's worst aquatic weeds. It clogs waterways, impedes boat traffic, and disrupts fishing activities. Its dense mats block sunlight from reaching underwater plants, depleting oxygen levels and harming aquatic life. It impacts local ecosystems, water quality, and even human livelihoods by disturbing the fishing and tourism industries. Despite its drawbacks, the water hyacinth has some beneficial uses. It's employed in wastewater treatment due to its ability to absorb heavy metals and pollutants. Additionally, it can be used for biofuel production and crafting materials. Additionally, studies have been conducted to remove these invasive plants from reservoirs by using bugs that feeds upon water hyacinths. Ultimately, the water hyacinth poses a multifaceted challenge. Its beauty and usefulness are evident, but its invasive characteristics require cautious handling. Through ongoing research and comprehension of this plant, our goal is to discover eco-friendly methods to utilize its benefits while minimizing its adverse effects. Keep in touch. We will return with another episode of our journey through the talking trees. Until then, support us by liking, sharing, and commenting your thoughts. And don't forget to support us on Patreon to see our research grow more. We are Talking Trees.